AI.
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 The talk of the town is AI.
I'm very excited about AI actually. The future for advisors in the contact centre and what's next and how do we prepare for that. You know, the next future of advisors being resilient and empathetic.
Embrace the tools available from AI, and what it's really doing is putting everyone on a level playing field.
Without taking over, how can we use AI to serve our customers better? Take some of the pressure off agents, not replace the agents, but take some of the pressure off their day-to-day job by using AI to help serve customers.
I think by 2026 we'll be doing more in the public space. So we'll have public-facing AI.
I think that an awful lot of the day-to-day admin will become automated. The agents will be using their skills to have those empathetic conversations.
AI and automation really help agents do more with less.
What we'll look to do is take what we would call, say, lesser tasks and optimise them a bit more, and then people can actually concentrate on more complex queries from customers.
It's about supporting and engaging.